Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about lines and angles. We'll first revise what we have learned about lines and angles. And for that, we'll start with the basic terms or definitions of those basic terms. Let's start with line segment. A line segment, as we know, when we join any 2 points on a plane surface with the shortest distance, and that is a line segment. A line segment has a start point and an end point, or the end points. There is a definite end to the line segments. When we extend these points, now we have here this end and I extend this, continue extending this. Same way I will continue extending this on this side and indefinitely keep on extending. Then what we get is a line. Obviously the point what we have taken, point is just a location. We talk point as a location. Then if we extend the line segment only on one side, we don't extend on the second side, we extend it only on one side. That means we have a definite start point but no definite end point, because we are going to go indefinitely on the other side. So when we have a definite start point and the other side extends indefinitely, we get a ray. We have a ray, and when we join 2 rays at the start point, what we get is an angle. Angle is the distance between these 2 rays, a circular distance between these 2 rays. That is angle. Now, in this case, the common point here is called vertex, whereas these 2 rays are called arms. So we know there are terms like vertex and arm, which is a common point, and these rays are called arms of an angle. When a line passes through 3 or more points, these points are called to be collinear points. So the same line passes through 3 or more points, then these 3 points are called collinear points. Let's now delve a little more into types of angles. We have different types of angles based on the measure of the angles, and they are acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and complete angle. Acute angles have measure less than 90 degrees. So they are greater than 0 and less than 90. Obtuse angles are greater than 90 and less than 180 degrees. A right angle is exactly 90 degrees. Straight angle is exactly 180 degrees. A reflex angle is greater than 180 but less than 360 degrees. Whereas a complete angle is equal to 360 degrees. These are types of angles based on their measure. Now let's talk about pairs of angles. They are named as supplementary angles, complementary angles, adjacent angles, linear pair, vertically opposite angles. Supplementary angles are when two angles sum is 180 degree, we call them supplementary. When two angles sum is 90 degree, we call them complementary angles. Adjacent angles, when two angles have a common arm and the non-common arms are on opposite sides of common arm, then we call them adjacent angles. Linear pair, when we have adjacent angles whose sum is 180 degree. When we have two adjacent angles whose sum is 180 degree, or the angles whose non-common arms make a line, then we call them linear pair. Vertically opposite angles, these are the angles formed by intersecting lines and who do not share any common arm but share common vertex. Now, in this chapter, we will take our understanding of lines and angles further, and we will see axioms, postulates, and theorems related to lines and angles.
I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comments section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the QTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.